Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I want to show you how add event to your calendar on your Samsung Galaxy S24. Our first step to add event, we must swipe up the screen and go to the calendar application, where we must tap on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 30th of January. After that we tap on plus icon and we can add title of our event, get emoji to that, maybe this one, and change color which we see in our calendar. There we can set when event start and finish, or we can set it will be all day. Add location of our event, maybe Warsaw, or what you want. Now we can add event to calendar of our family members or our friends from Google. There we can set alert when we get about our event, day before event at 5 o'clock. Repeat of events, maybe every day, every week on don't repeat. Notes to event, video conference, attachment. We can invite some guests to our event. And after we add all we need, we press save and we have it in our calendar right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.